Hello and welcome to week 1 of classroom assessment. Hopefully you have had a chance to watch the orientation video. So if you're seeing this first, please be sure to go after this video and go through all the documents in the README first and watch the orientation video where I talk about the syllabus and assignments and expectations of the course. So excuse me, as I mentioned, every week I'll be posting the week video here, so you can be looking for that. And then I'll just kind of explain assignments and other topics that are going to be due that week. So this week we'll introduce ourselves to each other, and so I've created a Flipgrid. This is an explanation of how to use Flipgrid. You can do it on your phone with an app, but it's like a video back and forth with each of us. So this is the link that goes to it, and you can find the password and everything here. And it is an extra credit point. So please make sure to go on and introduce yourself to the class, and you can reply back to your classmates if you'd like, but at least just hop on and introduce yourself. And then you do need to be sure to purchase the textbook. You can get it on campus at the bookstore or online. And if you don't have it yet, I have uploaded a PDF of Chapter 1 so that you're not going to get too far behind. So that's here, or you can read it if you have that. Or, of course, if you have the online or e-version, you can read that too. And then for each chapter, I'll have a video posted. And I used to have different units, but I've organized it this time in weeks. So don't be confused if it says Unit 1 or Unit 2. Just make sure that you're looking at the corresponding chapters. So this is like the lecture where I go through the slides, and then these are the notes that go along with those slides. So I'll have notes that you can print off or look at or take notes on while you're watching the lecture, and then I'll always have either a transcript or closed captioning for the lectures. And then also this week, be sure that you read through the supplemental text. We're not going to do anything specific on it now, but you will be tested over it, and it's a great introduction to assessment. And then I also have in here a practice quiz. This isn't something that you need to turn in, and the answers are actually on it. So just be sure that you go ahead and take the time to look at it. It'll familiarize you with the way that some of the test questions are, and help you with the information from Chapter 1. So take the time to do that, but you don't need to hand it in. So there's no assignments or anything due this week, just kind of an introduction and getting used to things. So I look forward to talking to you next week in week 2. Hope you have a great week. And be sure to post on the class discussion board if you have any general questions, or send me an email if you have a specific question. Thank you, and I'll see you next week. Bye.